Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 26, and we're diving into data manipulation with Pandas. In this video, we'll cover an introduction to the Pandas library, loading and exploring datasets, and data indexing and selection. Ready to unlock the power of Pandas? Let's get started. Pandas is a powerful and flexible data analysis and manipulation library for Python. It's built on top of NumPy and provides data structures and functions needed to work on structured data seamlessly. First, let's install Pandas if you haven't already. You can do this using pip. Once installed, let's import Pandas and get started. One of the first steps in data manipulation is loading your dataset into a Pandas data frame. Let's see how to do that. You can load data from various file formats such as CSV, Excel, SQL databases, and more. Here's how you load a CSV file. The read_CSV function reads the CSV file and stores it in a data frame. The head method displays the first 5 rows of the data frame, giving us a quick look at the data. You can also load data from Excel files. Pandas also provides methods to explore your dataset. You can use info to get a concise summary and describe to get descriptive statistics. Data indexing and selection are crucial for manipulating and analyzing data effectively. Let's explore how to select specific rows and columns in a data frame. You can select columns by their names. To select rows, you can use the iloc and loc methods. Iloc is used for integer-based indexing, while loc is for label-based indexing. You can also filter data based on conditions. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to data manipulation with Pandas. You've learned how to load and explore datasets, and how to index and select data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 27. Keep coding and happy data manipulating.